Hey everybody, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you a little trick that I've learned, and it's very profitable. What we're going to be doing here is we're going to be buying crypto on a smaller exchange that sells it for cheaper, and then resell it back on another exchange that you're able to sell it for at a higher value. If you want to call this a loophole, a glitch, a trick, a tip, whatever you want to call it in the system, that's on you. Doesn't really matter what it is, but it works. It works. I've been doing it personally for the last couple months now. All my business partners have been doing it for the last couple months, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Exchanges offer certain cryptos at a higher value than others, depending on how much volume goes through it in the past 24 hours, and that determines how much price or what the price is that the crypto will be bought or sold for on that particular exchange. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this here in this quick little video. So we're going to go to CoinMarketCap. If you can't see it or don't know how to spell it, I'll go back to Google and show you. So we'll head over to Google here and we're typing CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap.com. We'll click on it. In my past videos, we've been on this before, so you should be very familiar with this by now. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to search for just a random coin. Let's just say it's the coin that you want. And let's say we'll do Digibyte. It's number 56 on the list globally for all the coins. And we'll click that. And what we'll do is we'll go to markets, right? We see the charts. We'll scroll down a little bit. You see all the stats, website, announcements of the coin, a little chat box, a community area where you can talk about the coin, what's next, upgrades, whatever it may be. The public source code, which is offered on every single crypto on CoinMarketCap. And the rank it is, like we said before, 56th in the world. We know that it's mineable and it's a coin, not a token. Under that, we'll see the little tab where you see charts, markets, social, tools, and historical data. What we'll do is we'll click on markets, and it'll bring us to this page here where we see pretty much all the different exchanges that Digibyte is offered on. Bittrex, Poloniex, Upbit, HitBTC, Bittrex again, but this is Digibyte to Ethereum. Right, and it tells you the pair that you could trade it on, right? So on Bittrex, you could trade Digibyte for Bitcoin, and you could also trade Digibyte for Ethereum. You could do the same thing with KuCoin, etc., etc. Now, what's going to happen is we are going to click on price to make sure it's pointing downwards, right? We want to have the arrow pointing down just so we know the cheapest exchange that offers it for the cheapest price. And so what we could do is we could use our Bitcoin, right? If we have a Cryptopia account. If we don't, we could just click on that there, and it'll take us right to the Cryptopia link in CoinMarketCap. We'll click on that, and it should take us to be able to register for this exchange particular, right? I already have a Cryptopia account, so I don't really need to create one, but the registration process is very simple. So let's go back to what we were looking at before. So after you register with a Cryptopia, let's just say you want to buy it at the most cheap rate possible. So we go ahead and we register with Cryptopia, and we fund it with Bitcoin, and we buy a bunch of Digibyte with the Bitcoin that we have. What we're going to do next, and this is where it gets really juicy, guys, is we will then go and find another exchange to sell it for at a higher price. So let's just say we want to sell it for Bitcoin, back to Bitcoin. We want to sell it back to Bitcoin, and we want to sell it at a higher price. We bought it at Cryptopia for 0.5 cents, but we're going to sell it for zero point 0.6 cents, right? It's about a 0.05 jump. Still a jump, not much, but if you're buying in a large amount, it will add up, right? If you're doing it little by little and you're only buying one digibot at a time, you won't really see too much of a movement. But if you're doing it in huge bulk, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars, then you'll see quite a difference. Now, if you go from a jump from 0.05 cents and you buy it at 18 or you sell it back at $18 or 18 cents, then you'll see a big difference, right? You'll see that you're going to get more Bitcoin back after you've resold it, right? Trade Satoshi, I don't think it offers it for Bitcoin. So that's pretty much all we could do. So the best thing we could do is buy it on Cryptopia for the cheap amount that they're selling it for here, and then sell it again back for Bitcoin on Bitsy. That's the trick, guys. It's very simple. All you really need to do is your due diligence on the type of coin that you want, and the trick works. They're not going to be, there's no way that they could disable it. It's not really a problematic. It's just what it is, guys. And we found it out, and now we're giving it to you so you can use to your advantage, guys. We'll look at one more example before we go. Let's do Golem. Click on Golem, markets. Whoa, Golem is offered on quite a bit of exchanges here. So we'll click on price to make sure the price is cheaper. So on Tidex, we'll buy Golem with Bitcoin after we funded it for 45 cents is one Golem. And then what we'll do is we will then go to Heat Wallet and sell the Golem back to Bitcoin at this price. So you're profiting in the long run, guys, if you do this over and over and over and over again. As long as you have time on your hands and you're in front of the computer all day, you can make it work and you could profit all day long with this method. Thanks for coming on this video, guys. That's all I have for today, and I'll see you in the next video.